Volcano Warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the United States Geological Survey. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Over the last 20 to 30 minutes, the USGS has reported severe volcanic activity inside of Long Valley, Yellowstone, Valles, Garita, and Silverthrone. An eruption of these calderas is expected within the next 24 to 36 hours, and the rest of the world will face the following disastrous effects following the eruption of these calderas. A loud, booming noise will be heard across the world, followed by the sight of extremely violent shaking depending on how far away, or how close you are to the calderas. Ash will rain from the skies, covering all of North America, Asia, Europe, and South America that blocks most, if not all, sunlight from reaching the mentioned continents. Global temperatures will drop by several degrees, causing widespread hypothermia, crop failure, and other negative effects caused by the extreme cold, and the ozone layer will be destroyed, making sunlight that still reaches Earth extremely unsafe to come in contact with. Areas within 200 miles of the calderas will be apocalyptically annihilated, and covered in thousands of feet of ash. Immediately after the eruptions, Yellowstone National Park in Wyoming, Valles National Preserve in New Mexico, La Garita in Colorado, Mammoth Mountain in California, and Mount Silverthrone in British Columbia, Canada, will be wiped off the map entirely. All residents within a 375-mile radius of these calderas must evacuate the area immediately, or face almost certain death, either by the blast, or carbon monoxide poisoning. Even though a VEI8 eruption is likely, a VEI9 eruption cannot be ruled out. This is classified as a supercolossal eruption, and has never happened in existence. Therefore, it would be the first eruption to surpass VEI8 on the Volcanic Explosivity Index, ever. Tune into stations covering your local area for more updates on this catastrophic, life-threatening, and extremely dangerous situation.